The next time you hold a golden fry, remember, you aren't just holding a potato. You're holding 100 years of science.
It begins not in a kitchen, but in the mineral-rich volcanic soil of the Pacific Northwest. To create the world's...
During the harvest, timing is everything. These potatoes are cured in climate-controlled cellars for weeks to stabilize their...
Inside the barrel washer, the potatoes provide the friction themselves. Tuber-on-tuber contact acts as a natural abrasive.
Efficiency is measured in tons. At this scale, the factory must process over 2 million pounds of potatoes every single day to keep up with global demand.
Before the first cut is made, the trash must be removed. Using gravity and mechanical vibration, rocks and field...
This isn't just a rinse, it's a scrub. These jets operate at pressures high enough to strip away stubborn clay and microorganisms.
Now, the rawer earth is left behind. We enter the heart of the machine.
Water is the lifeblood of this facility. It's the gentlest way to move 50 tons of produce per hour without bruising the delicate starch cells.
To move this much mass vertically, the factory employs ancient engineering, the Archimedes screw. It provides a constant,
Cleaned, sorted, and inspected.
These potatoes are now ready for the most violent part of their journey, the steam pressure skinning.
Next, we enter Chapter 3. We use thermodynamics to peel a potato in less than 6 seconds.
To peel at an industrial scale, we don't use blades. We use thermodynamics. The potatoes...
Under this intense pressure, moisture is forced just millimeters beneath the potato skin.
But we won't use a knife to cut these. We're going to use a water jet cannon moving at 60 miles per hour.
Residual skin is removed by a series of soft-touch scrubbers. This ensures a zero-waste peel, removing the... Frozen at the peak of perfection, the fries now head to the final stage, high-speed robotic packaging and the global cold chain.
In high-volume production, space is a luxury. The factory uses a spiral freezer. This vertical
To package 50,000 pounds an hour, we don't use a simple scoop. We use a multi-head weigher. This computer-driven...
Every hour, a random bag is pulled from the line and cooked. This is the sensory test. Auditors...
In less than half a second, the fries are dropped and sealed. But there's a secret inside, a nitrogen flush.